Today we're making Jamaican Toto, a traditional coconut cake with deep roots in our history. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients. Take a screenshot. You might need them for later. Start by creaming 1 cup of brown sugar with half a cup of butter until light and smooth. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of allspice. Mix in grated coconut, coconut milk, vanilla, and 1 beaten egg. Stir until everything is fully combined. Pour the batter into a greased cast iron skillet or baking pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes until a knife comes out clean. For a golden finish, brush the top with melted butter and honey. Then return to the oven for a few minutes. Let it cool, slice, and enjoy Jamaican Toto. Rich, coconut-forward, and full of history. Subscribe for more delicious, authentic recipes with Grace Foods.